Introducing Doumi, a mobile social app supporting your dementia care journey. I'm Sophia, the product manager. I'm joined by Allison, our awesome designer, and Christian and Klee, our amazing full stack developers. Here is a question. How many of us, perhaps someone really close, or even ourselves, found our lives intertwined with the responsibility of caring for a loved one with dementia? According to Susan Golden at Stanford, the figure stands at more than one-fourth of Americans. Moreover, delve into your social circle and consider this. About 85% of dementia patients are cared for by unpaid family caregivers. Now, with the 65 plus population in the US projected to surge to 95 million by 2060, the market for dementia caregivers will grow significantly. So now, I want you to meet Elaine. She is a 56-year-old church outreach coordinator and is the sole caregiver for her mom, Mary, who suffers from Parkinson's. Today's Wednesday, and Elaine is in a virtual meeting with her outreach team. She suddenly hears her mom screaming swear words. She tries to ignore it at first, but she hears the sound of breaking glass. Now, she doesn't have an option but to excuse herself from the meeting to redirect her mom's agitation. Elaine tries to stop her mother by calming her down, but somehow her mom's aggression behaviors worsen. Elaine does not know what to do. As her kids are left home for school, Elaine is alone with her mom. Elaine feels alone in this hopeless situation. After a long day battling with her mom's agitation, Elaine wants to talk to someone. She is hesitant to call her church friend, as the other woman judged her when Elaine shared her caregiving challenges. She considers calling another friend, but does not want to burden other people with her problems too often. She feels isolated. For Elaine and others, we want to empower family caregivers of dementia patients in navigating and sharing their journey with an open, supportive, and resourceful community. This was a pivot from our initial idea of a medication management app, as our market and user research illuminated two most pressing pain points. As we saw from Elaine's case, and according to the National Academy of Sciences, isolation is one of the most significant stressors associated with caregiver roles. To address this, Domi aims to build a judgment-free, anonymous support network to share experiences and alleviate the burden of social isolation without fear of criticism. Like Elaine felt clueless when her mom exhibited aggressive behaviors, our interviewees unanimously expressed frustration around redirecting agitated behaviors. To address this pain, Domi provides research-based care strategies specific to symptoms of dementia. Now, I will hand over the mic to Allison, our awesome product designer.
Since our target population is caregivers over the age of 45, there were several design considerations. For the body font, we used Valdana, with its clear differentiation between capital and lowercase numbers and letters and numbers. When compared to other fonts at the same size, it appeared the most readable. Since Valdana only has two weights, bold and regular, we chose Inter for the headings, labels, and buttons. We bumped the body text size up to 18 pixels from the standard 16, so it's easier to see with aging eyes, and all of the headings were scaled up accordingly. Purple is the color of dementia awareness, and many related organizations, for example, the Alzheimer's Association, use it as their primary palette. In researching preferred color schemes for seniors, it was apparent that their favorite colors are navy and sky blue. To differentiate ourselves and our product and maintain strong contrast ratios, we decided to incorporate a palette of blue and purple gradients with teal and pink accents. While experimenting with layouts for our strategies page, we tested horizontal carousel. Originally, I thought they would be a spatially efficient solution. And then after talking to Sophia about her experiences testing features with seniors, she suggested eliminating the carousels and keeping the interactions as simple as possible. This led to our current design, where the strategies page has 4 category cards, with the possibility to add more in the future. The user can easily navigate from there to the specific strategies list. Another area we tested and refined was the search function. Our users found its original wording confusing since they expected Google, where you could type and find any keyword. In the current Doumi app, while we work to develop a more all-encompassing search feature, users' posts are categorized by preset hashtags. To navigate them, our search bar turned into a tag filter with a familiar checkbox screen.
For our tech stack, we used React Native with Expo using Firebase authentications and Firebase Firestore for our database. Our database is a NoSQL-like database with a user and post collection, implementing CRUD operations to interact with the data. The app also allows for users to bookmark posts for later view and to like a post or a comment to engage with other Doumi users. Our feature plan for this section is to allow replies to comments.
Doumi's base functionality includes being able to post, comment, browse de-escalation strategies. We also implemented search functionality and full user authentication and validation. We optimized for scalability using existing global state management, React State, prefetch, and lazy loading techniques. During this project, our roles as developers granted us profound experience in mobile app development. Building a mobile app from scratch presents its own set of challenges, and overcoming them was a great learning opportunity. Collaborating with my teammate, Klee, we navigated through these challenges, and with a highlight being the successful implementation of features like create, edit, delete posts, as well as managing user interactions. The steep learning curve tested our technical skills, but the project's on-hand experience will undoubtedly augment our growth as developers.
We are Doumi. You are not alone in the dementia journey. Thank you for listening our presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.